About Reptiles, a Guide for Children by Catherine Sill. Reptiles have dry, scaly skin. Some reptiles have a hard, bony plate. Reptiles have short legs or no legs at all. They move by crawling or by swimming. Reptiles need warm temperatures. Many stay underground in cold winter weather. Most reptiles hunt and eat other animals. A few eat plants. Some reptiles use venom to capture their prey. Baby reptiles hatch from eggs. Some reptile mothers carry the eggs inside their bodies until they are ready to hatch. Young reptiles take care of themselves as soon as they hatch. Reptiles are important to us. We need to protect them and the places where they live. The end.